But with that, let's start with an eye on the globe, Srishti, and it was a rather mixed day on the US market, and yet again AI stocks were back in focus. Now they did end, the Wall Street saw US stocks end on a mixed note. Overnight, as gains in tech and AI-related names, they offset broader market weakness. Palantir shares were highly volatile in extended trade. The stock initially jumped about 4% after the software firm beat Wall Street estimates and gave upbeat guidance driven by strong AI demand, but later slipped about 4%. Now, AI-linked giants led the day's advances. Amazon hit a record closing high. That's after announcing a deal with OpenAI. So that helped the nasdaq climb nearly 0.5% in trade yesterday, whereas the S&P 500 that added about 0.2%. On the other hand, Dow Jones Industrial Average that, however, fell about more than 200 points, or about 0.5%, weighed down by weakness in other sectors. Still, the market breadth remains largely a concern because more than 300 S&P 500 stocks, they closed in the red, which highlights the ongoing concentration in a handful of mega cap names. So yes, a little bit of a red over there as far as the broader markets are concerned in the US. But on the earnings front, over 300 S&P 500 companies have reported so far this season, with more than 80% beating expectations. That's according to FactSet, thanks to largely strong results and continued AI investment from hyperscalers. So yes, Srishti, very good moves coming in from the Wall Street, except Dow did witness about 200 points of a downtick, but otherwise AI stocks yet again in focus, leading the gains over there.
All right, interesting moves indeed, but interesting moves are already there in the crude oil market as well. Let's give you a quick check over there. Oil is seen to be fluctuating a bit. Just yesterday we told you about the OPEC Plus pause Q1 output hike, and a reaction to that, Brent is trading flat at around $65 per barrel mark, while WTI is also seen to be stabilizing this morning at $61 per barrel mark. Other than that, gold, yes, of course, that is seen to be off its life highs levels, but a bit of a rebound there from the lower levels, because just yesterday and in the past couple of days, gold was seen to be trading below that 4,000 per ounce mark, but for today it's exactly there. In some of the other base commodities, it's zinc prices that were seen to be rising. They are sitting at an 11-month high for themselves, while platinum pulls back, and along with that, within the commodity space, it's cocoa futures that were seen to be jumping over 5% to early October highs. So interesting moves across the commodities
markets as far as Wall Street is concerned, as well as the commodity market. But let's